Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. So I want to show you a very nice Tritone application in the key of today on the keys. So before that, I want to encourage you people to join my channel membership, because I have some special tutorials there, like stuff. All these stuff I do, so I have them as special perks on the channel membership platform. So if you can join. Regular fans, top fans, just click the join button beside the subscribe button. That's to support this channel and also get this. But trust me, you can't wait to see what I have for you today. It's also it's going very cool. So right, so let's get into this. All right, so let's get into this. So so we're in the key of F. We're gonna be in the key of F. So that's the key of F. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Right, so I always do this so that people who are not really too familiar with it can also flow with it. So it goes, so the Tritone is going to happen on the 5, on our 5. So let's do a song to 5. Okay. God in 3 persons, blessed. So that's the Tritone on the 5. I'm going to show you. Let me look at another song also. For you are the God, there is no other. We give you all the praise. Blessed be the Lord God Almighty. To God, blessed be the Lord God Almighty, who was and is and yeah, you already know, if you're a subscriber to this channel, I can't sing myself. Yeah. But trust me, I'm a music director. It's awesome. I mean, the way God does these things are very awesome. So let me show you this Tritone. So so it just happens on the 5. So we'll look at it. So just to get to it fast, we'll just go from 2 to 5. 1. So it's kind of like doing a delay cadence, right? Because normally you just go 2, 5, 1, but now we're doing 2, 5, 5, 1. So kind of delay cadence, kind of. So right, so what am I doing? So on the 5, I'm doing this. Okay, so what am I doing here? So I'm doing a Tritone from G to D flat. So G to D flat, to F sharp, C, B, and F and B Tritone to what's it called? E and B flat Tritone. Right. So from G, D flat, just run it down. Right. So and then your left hand is in. So I'm just doing a slot from F to G while holding B flat. So this I just so it's doing a perfect fourth, F and B flat to E and A, E flat and A flat to D and what's it called, and G. So together, and then you do it right, and then one more song. London Bridge is falling down. Let's see if it's going to go. Falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair Okay. My fair lady. One more time. Yeah. Yeah. My fair. And this is awesome. So don't forget to click the subscribe button, and if you want to see this more, just click that join button. Like I said, I think I'm going to do a further breakdown on this also on that. So just click it to just join the channel membership for more, and you're gonna see a lot of tutorials, breakdowns right there. God bless you. So just throw this on Sunday. Please, if it does not go well, don't mention my name. But trust it's going to go well. Just make sure you learn it very well and join the channel membership, because I'm going to be doing more breakdown of this also there. Right there. God bless you. Bye.